Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page of the weekend edition. Weekend edition Saturday, Sunday, Saturday, March the 2nd. It's today, March the 2nd, 2024, and tomorrow, March the 3rd, on Sunday. And we have here 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are 3 Stars Sudoku, another 3 Stars Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, 2 binaries with 3 stars, and the last puzzle is the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow afternoon. But let me start with this 3 Stars Sudoku. 3 Stars Sudoku number 8112. 8112. Yeah. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. It's indicated with 3 stars. Well, usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. Wow. This one has 26. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. It's indicated with 3 stars, so for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. And let me see. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 2 in this row, the 2 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here. Or there we have 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left, the 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here. Or there we have a 2 in this row, second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left, the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, third column, 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left, the 2 should be here, or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. Only place left, the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Okay, and now, let me see. How about the number? 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third column, so no 5 there. 5 in the second row, no 5 there. Only place left, the 5 should be here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here. Or there we have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, okay. Well, cannot continue with the 5 now. I need to wait. How about the 4 in this row, 4 in the last row? So the row between the only places left for the 4 should be there. Need a 4 here. 1 and the 3, 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 1 goes there. 3, okay. How about? Need a 9 here, need a 9 there. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 7 in the last column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box there for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 4 in the last row, third row, 4 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1 box left now in the Second row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8, 8, 5. Okay, and now 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9. Oh, I need to wait. How about 1, 1? Need a 1 there. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those two boxes in the last column. 1 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. I need a 1 here. Need a 9. And I need a 6 here. Alright. Come on, come on. Need a 7 here. I'm thinking. Need a 5 here. Need a 7 there. No 9. 9 should be here. 8, 8. Yes, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 in these two boxes. We have 8 in the second column. No 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. I need 8 here. Alright. And I need a 6 and a 3. Well, I need to wait. 6, 6. Need a 9, 9, 9. And I need a 1, 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Okay. 6, 9, and the 5. 6, 9, and 5, 5, 6, 9, and 5. I'm thinking. Come on. This is taking too long. 5, 7. 4. Need a 4 here. 2, 5, 8, 7. Come on. Okay. Need a 9 here. 2. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 6, okay. 6, need a 3. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing, 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 8. We have 6 and the 8 in this column, so no 6 and 8 in these 3 boxes. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. So we have 6 in this column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next, on the last column. Only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. These 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. And the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9. Okay. About these 2 missing numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9. That means 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. No 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. Alright. And now need a 5 here. I need to think. I need a 9 here. Yeah, let me put some numbers. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, now only 3 places left. The 7 should be here, here, or there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. Need a 5 here, need a 5 there. How about a 6, 6, 6, 6. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9, 9, 9. 6, 9 and a 1. I need a 1 in this row. Well, here can be 1. We have a 1 in this big square. No 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah, need a 1 in this big square. We have a 1 in the last row. No 1 in these 2 boxes. Here, 1 in middle column. No 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in the last row for us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6, 8, 9. Okay. I need a 3 in this big square. Well, we have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 is left in this big square for the mod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing here. Okay, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in the middle column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright, these 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6. Okay. Yeah. Oh, 6 and the 8. We already have a 6 in the last column. No, in this column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers. No. Not 2 numbers left. 1, 9 and 3. Oh, 1 and a 3. Already have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 1 goes there. Overlooked. 2 numbers left now in this column. For the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 and a 9. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Okay, 6 and 8. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5, and the 6. The 7 and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and an 8. We have a 1 in the middle row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3, 4, 9. 4, 5, 6. Okay. Mark those 2 boxes earlier to 7. We have a 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. I need a... Wait... 6, 8. Okay. Then need a 1 here. Yeah, 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left. The 1 should be here, here, or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I need a 5 here. 5. I need a 6 here, and I need a 9 here. Well. Here can be the 9, 9, okay. Alright. How about the 3? 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. Let me mark those. How about 8? You need an 8 there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 3. So the 3 goes there. Okay. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. These 2 are reserved for the 6, 6 and the 9. So we have 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 9 here. Okay. 4, 5, 6. Then here we have 2 missing numbers. Oh, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the middle row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. One box left in the first column for the man. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left now, the 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 and the 8, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square form is the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 and the 9, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Well, maybe I talked too much in the beginning, but yeah, let me give this a 2 stars. Definitely 2 stars puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.